what I want to do is I want to remove this pedal assembly, only this part, remove it outside, so that I can fit a sprocket over here, because if we fit a sprocket over here, then we can connect it to this electric motor. Let's go. I think it's coming out. Let's just put some oil and try. WD-40 was over, so the real G.
I am the one, the way your son don't need.
Yes! I removed this thing so that now we can try and install a sprocket on this. Now the problem is I found one sprocket to put, but this shaft is just too small for this sprocket to fit directly. Like it's very loose. It's very loose. So I think we'll have to engineer a bush to fit in this on the lathe machine, so that here there will be a bush, and on this sprocket will place. You must have heard me say this many times in the video, but whenever you start your bike for the first time, just let it idle for a while to reach its operating temperature and then try. Okay, so just made it over to the lathe shop. Their name is Charis. It's located near this Impact Car Accessories and Tires. If you search it on Google, you'll find it. And they have made this. Damn. I think the parts have come. Let's go check it out. Whoa, the parts are here, finally. So let's just check out what is there. Okay, so we have an electric motor, and we have a mounting plate. Won't need it actually. We have a controller, battery indicator, some clips, charging socket, throttles, brakes. What are these? Okay, so this is the regenerative braking. This is the charger. And we have this cute little charging socket for an electric cycle. Let's just keep this at the side for time being. The main part. And let's focus on fitting our sprocket. Okay, so the sprocket is now fitted. So this is the custom bush, this is the additional part which I fit, and this is our sprocket. It works, and it's held together by this small bolt, this bolt. It works. Now we have to place a motor over here. How many sprockets are too many sprockets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 sprockets? Oh my god.
Stop it. Get some help.
Okay, so before welding the motor in place, so the motor is over here and this is the sprocket. I think we should go and find out a chain, fit that chain first, and then accordingly adjust and fit that motor. Otherwise it will cause us problems later. Okay, so many people have asked me that how do you keep building motorcycles, and like how do you make it so affordable to build them? And the answer is because I have collected so many parts and so much of stuff that you can find almost any part you want in this space. So I have like all the parts I had used over the 5 years time of building bikes, and to many people like this is trash, this is scrap, but actually if you ask me, this is gold. Okay, so we have handlebars, we have, what is this? This is clutch plate and pressure plate, swing arm, tank. I need a chain. We should be careful over here because this stuff was lying over here for like a long time, and there are chances you might meet some new creatures, lizards, surprises, cockroaches and all. Oh shit. See, here's one chain. Okay, so the chain is here. I removed the chain lock so that we can try and fit it now. No, it doesn't fit on this motor. This one just doesn't fit. So I think we have another problem.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
So I just found an old Pulsar 150 chain, and the chain fits on our motor sprocket and our shaft sprocket also. So I think this setup will work out. So I have to just cut this link now according to the size I need, and later we'll go and weld some clamps to fit the motor correctly. Okay, so just got this chain broken with the help of a grinder from my boys at the lathe shop. So chain is broken and I bought this chain lock. So we'll fit this chain lock and then install the motor.